The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 97.
And due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find thereto a way.
The holy pilgrimage each Muslim who meets the criteria must undertake at least once in their lifetime. It is important to understand that the real purpose of the holy pilgrimage is to prepare Muslims for their final journey to the hereafter. The same way a Muslim leaves behind their home, business, wealth, family, friends and social status in order to perform the holy pilgrimage, this will occur at the time of their death when they take their final journey to the hereafter. In fact, a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2379, advises that a person's family and wealth abandons them at their grave and only their deeds, good and bad, accompany them into their grave. When a Muslim bears this in mind during their holy pilgrimage, they will fulfill all the aspects of this duty correctly. This Muslim will return back home a changed person, as they will prioritize preparing for their final journey to the hereafter over amassing the excess aspects of this material world. They will achieve this by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes taking from this world in order to fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. Muslims should not treat the holy pilgrimage as a holiday and a place to shop, as this defeats the purpose of it. It must remind Muslims of their final journey to the hereafter, a journey which has no return and no second chances. Only this will inspire one to fulfill the holy pilgrimage correctly and prepare adequately for the hereafter. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website www.shaykhpod.com.